Hello everyone. So today we will create some great template area with the help of image and with the help of display grid, we can say, right? So let's begin. I need images for that, so we will use ℂ𝕠𝕕𝕚 images only. So we will go with this assets images, okay, like this. So we can find the images in the photos, so we can get the images from here. So before that we will create some layout for that. So div, and in that div class, so in the div class I need we are creating like a gallery, so we will have the gallery here. We will have the image, okay, the image tag. We will have the image tag here, and in that we will have the image one, we can say. And in that, if we have alt, so we can have the alt one, okay, like the image one. And in that we will have the source, and we need images here. So let's find some images for here. So let's have some images like let's go with this image, okay. So let's add this and let's copy here, okay. This is image number 1. So this is like an image number 1, and let me watch. Yeah, it is image. Yeah, this is good. And we will have the second image also, like image 2. And after all, we can add more images, like if we have more images, like we can add more images here. So for now we will just add like 6 images for now. So let's go with the 6 images. If you want to add more, so you can add more images in that. So for now I'm just putting the same images for all the image source, and the last we will add, we will do the different images in that way. So let's I just change this I'll just add like a 6 or 5 images for that. So let's do this. So this is like and 6 one, yeah, okay. So we have 6 images here, and okay. And if you want to create in the center, so you can do in the center. But if you do not want to do a center, so we can go with this scenario. So for that, like I will use a whole screen, we can say, for that, okay. So we will just go with the body first, and I'll just remove the margin here. So I do not want the margin, I just want like cut to cut, we can say, edge to edge, we can say, okay. Okay, let's go with the SAS, okay. So we will have the SAS file here. So let me do the SAS file, okay. So this is right, and in that, in the body, we will having a gallery, okay. And in gallery we will go with the grid, and in this we will having a multiple images class, we can say. So we have 6 images, so we will use, so here we will use a grid template areas, okay. And in that we'll just use that class name what you had created before, okay. So if you want to create the same scenario, like if you want to add like a class name what you had added here, so you can go with that same class name here. So like image 1, and if you have the image 2, so you can have the image 2 here. And I'll go with this we will have like these structures, we can say like a 3 or 4 structures we can see. Okay, like we can go with this also, and we just do this one, and we will have we'll close this one. Okay, so this is what we will have, and on the first row we will have the 4. If you want to change, you can change here. For now I'm just not changing, so if depends on your choice what type of layout you want to go with. Okay, so right now I'm just going with this layout. So if you want to create this other layout, so you can go with other layout, but this layout will not recognize the what is the image one. So for that, to recognize that image, so for that we will go with image one, like a class name image one, and in that we will give first area like a grid area as an image one, like this. So for image one you will get here image one, and the same scenario for all the 6 images here. So second image is done, then third image is here. Okay, if you want to add more, so let's go with the 4 image, that's 4th one, then this we will add with the 5th one, and the last one is 6th one. Okay, so this will be the 6th one, and one more thing we can do, like if you want to change the size of that image, you can change that size also. So never mind if you want to change that size. If you want to change that, like for example I can say like all the images should be like, it depends what type of size you want to give. So I will go with like a percentage wise, or I can say like a 50%, and height should be 30 pixels. Okay, so this is what it will be look like. Let's increase some like width, we can say, like increase the height, we can say. Okay, let's go with increasing height like a 50% height. Okay, and okay, so this is what it will look like a grid wise, we can say. So will have the different size of images, so make sure you have the different size of images. So for example I do not have the size, different size, so we can have first of all this first size. Okay, let's see how it look like here. Okay, if we go with 100 pixels, so let's see how it look like. If we go with 100 pixels, so it will look like this. If you go with 100 pixel, if you go with the auto height, we can say. So let's see how it look like if I'm going with the auto height, so it will look like this. And let's go with the second image. We can change that second image, so let's go with this. It's like different size, we can say. Okay, different shape, we can say here. Let's go with the little bit smaller image. So I just added the second image, so let's see which image is changing. This one. And let's go with the, it depends on size, we can say, what type of size you are using here. So that's what I'm finding the size here. So yep, this is like a random size, we can say. So this is what I am using it here. Okay, so yeah, this will be good. Let's add more 3 images here. So let's add this one also. Let's go with the 4th image. So 4th image will be this one. So we can add, we will change this image. Yeah, this is nice. Let's have more images. Let's see more here. We can have this camel. What it is a camel or what? A kangaroo. It's like a, I don't know which animal it was. Like a different animal I saw. It's a camel, right? Like for camel, I think like this portion is big in camel. But which animal it is? Can you tell me in the in the comments? We can say. So you can tell me in the comments. We can say. Yeah. So I will go with all the same images if you want. Yeah. The size will be of similar here. Yeah. This is what we achieve. Like same height, same weight here. If I just remove this like a height, if I don't want this, so this is what it will happen. So yep, this is what we need, and I will just mark these images in the inside this all the images one by one. Like we will just add a and only here, so it will be inside this one. Yeah. Okay, the second image is like this one. We need the same images above, so let's go with the same image here. Let's see how it look like here. Okay, it means like big, not much height, but big we can say. I need a little bit more height we can say, so I just need some bigger size of this one, a little bit big, not a big one, but let's try this one, the flower one. Let's see how it comes up here. So oh, it's not coming up perfectly. So if I just go with 100%, okay, this is what we got. If you are having a border color here, so if you can give a border color, so you can go with the border color. So you can see here the image is on the same track, right? So it will not move, it will look pretty good. Yeah, this is what we have here. So this, the whole section of this one, like image one, then here we'll be having the image one. So we will having 6 columns, we can say, like 3 columns and 3 rows we can say. If you have more rows, you can add the more rows here. If you have only 1 row, you can go with the 1 row here. If I'm just adding 1 more here, for example, if I'm just going with 1 more here, and if I'm adding which image I can add, like a first image only, it's like a big image. So let's go with the big image here. Let's go with the 3x4 we can say. So how it look like if I'm just going with the 3x4, it is looking like not good. Like a 6 images for a 6 layout we can say. We will having the same layout. We need to change this also. just use the same images here. I don't know why I'm doing it, but yeah, the layout of the air layout, like how much we had to use here, like a 9, right? So this is like 9, like a 1, then 2, then 3. If you want to add a border also, so you can add the one small border, we can say. So like it differentiate the all the one, as you can see, a small part of border. Let's go with the white. So you can see it's like a Instagram, we can say, right? It's like a majority, we can say, like a majority image gallery. So yeah, this is what we have it. So this is what like a grid template area is. So how many images you have, so you can add this here like this. So you can add this like this. And yep, make sure you subscribe my channel, you follow my channel, and make sure, or yeah, like if you are new in my channel, so click on bell button. And because like if I'm just adding a new post, a new video, so you will get that. Okay, so you will get that. So this is what we have. Nice one. This is really nice. Okay, so make sure you follow all the social medias, like to get updated videos and posts, you can say. And if you have any questions, so you can write in comment. And yeah, I will add this link in the descriptions, so you will find this code in the descriptions. Thank you. Next let's meet in the next video. Okay, so